Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang. Today we are going to start a new project which is Flashcard app. In this video I'm going to show the demo of the Flashcard app, how everything is working and what are the features I have implemented. The tech stack which I have used to make this app is Firestore, Firebase Authentication, React.js, and for CSS I have used Tailwind CSS and CSS files, so both of them are used. So let's start the demo. First we have the login page. Here you can log in using your Google account. It will log in me automatically. So now I'm logged in. Here you can see I have no flashcards because I haven't added any questions or answers. For that I'm going to use this add question option and I'm going to use the question is programming language for ML and the answer we know is Python. So add question added successfully. Okay, and now if you move on to the flashcard, this home page, you can see we have a flashcard. Click it and you will have the answer. If you use this next option, the next question will come. Let me add one more question to show this feature. So uh, what question we can add? Let's say favorite YouTube channel. Projects with call. Add question. The question is added successfully, and now if you go to the flashcard, you can see we have two questions. Even in the question list you can see every question and their answer, and from here you can also delete them. For example, if you don't want to keep this question, so delete it, and now it is deleted. Even in the flashcard this change will be automatic, so you can click in and the flashcard will work properly. Now this is the last option, which is log out. If you log out, you will be redirected to this screen. So you can again log in and see that your data is there. Now this data is stored in Firebase Firestore for every account. I will show you how to program it, how to put data in it, and how to make sure that your data is consistent with every record. So that's all for this video. In next video we are going to start the development and we will start with this nav bar. So till then, stay tuned and bye.